Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Smith Point to Little Creek, Virginia. Entrance to the Chesapeake Bay including the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel, James River from Jamestown to the Hampton Roads Bridge Tunnel, York River, coastal waters from Palmer Island to Cape Charles Light, Virginia out 20 nautical miles until 6:30 p.m. At 5:36 p.m. Flood was located along a line extending from Sancho Inlet to James River Bridge, moving south at